Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. In particular, the final, this isn't an update, but the one part that caught my eye right away was very, very nice final 30 minutes. Volume came surging in, and wasn't a epic candle. Wasn't a gigantic candle, but still a nice little solid green candle. So we'll see if this is some sort of bottom or not, which would not be totally shocking. And this will mean a little bit more if you watched the video on Thursday. But if you did, then hopefully you remember me talking about this as it being an area of support. And you can see it wasn't exact, but I think everyone would agree. Yeah, within the general range, the price stayed right around this 382 mark, which was good to see. And now I'm actually going to adjust this level down a little bit more. To I guess right there at 382, so it was fine as is. But 382 definitely was for the most part that key level. And now going into next week, remember the markets are closed Monday. That's kind of throwing me off for Memorial Day. But next week, potential double bottom here. You have the one low right there. You have this bottom trying to get formed. So would it be, and then of course you factor in the final 30 minutes with the volume and the nice green candle. So would it be shocking to see some upwards movement? No, not at all. Now remember, nothing is a guarantee, but like I said, would it be shocking? No, that would not catch, I don't think, anybody off guard that uses charts and understands charts. So in the event though, this does start to bounce, really the main level to watch is going to be the purple line right here. I get it, that line's quite a bit up there right now, but that is the 50 period simple moving average. So as Tuesday and then Wednesday play out, that line will move and cross down below the $4 mark. So don't get me wrong, $4 is definitely an area of resistance, but it's looking like before you start worrying about battling $4, that purple line is probably going to cross down below it, which would then give it higher priority. So keep an eye though on those couple areas of resistance, but no doubt about it, interesting movement today. Good to see the sideways price action. And then like I've said about a million times now, the final 30 minutes here with that volume and then the candle definitely creates an interesting situation. Everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.